I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
Use 3-4 lb chicken bones, 12 cups water, and 1/4 cup vinegar to extract collagen. Combine bones with aromatic vegetables, 1 large onion, 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, and 2 bay leaves. Trim excess skin and roast bones 30 minutes at 425 degrees F for a browning boost that deepens flavor. Roasting is optional but recommended for richer stock. Chop vegetables coarsely. No need to peel onions. Prepare a heavy stock pot with a cold water start, so collagen releases evenly as you bring the pot slowly to temperature. Bring to a gentle simmer and cook 6 to 8 hours for maximum gelatin extraction. Start on medium heat until small bubbles rise, then reduce to low so the surface barely moves. Maintain roughly 200 degrees F during the long cook. Skim foam and impurities during the first 30 minutes to improve clarity. After 3 hours, taste for salt, adding 1 tablespoon as a guideline, but avoid oversalting since reduction concentrates sodium. Do not boil vigorously. Long, gentle heat creates clear, gelatin-rich stock and avoids cloudy texture from emulsion. Strain stock through a fine sieve, cool to 140 degrees F, refrigerate 8 to 12 hours to gel. After chilling, remove the hardened fat layer with a spoon. Reserve fat for cooking if desired. Portion the clear, amber jelly into 1 to 2 cup containers. Refrigerate 4 to 5 days or freeze up to 3 months in labeled bags. A fully chilled stock yields a firm jelly that sets like soft gelatin, perfect for making concentrated sauces, glazed carrots, or an aspic base. Reheat gently to return to liquid without breaking the mouthfeel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.